In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for coaches and consultants fast and easy. If you're looking to expand your online presence and connect with potential clients, Pinterest is a powerful tool you don't want to overlook. So let's dive in and explore how you can leverage this platform efficiently. Firstly, open your web browser and head over to Google. Simply type in Pinterest and hit search. Once the results appear, look for the first link that leads to Pinterest and give it a click. This will take us directly to the Pinterest homepage where the magic happens. Next, let's set up a business profile. This step is essential as it unlocks a variety of features that are beneficial for businesses rather than casual users. On the homepage, look for an option to switch your account to a Pinterest business account. Don't worry, this is completely free. Once that's done, be sure to add your website or booking link, as this helps potential clients find and contact you easily. Now it's time to create authority-building boards. Think of boards as mini resource hubs that showcase your expertise and provide valuable information to your audience. You might consider creating boards with titles like Business Growth Strategies, Mindset for Success, or Your Coaching Niche Tips and Tools. These boards help position you as an expert in your field and provide a wealth of resources for your followers. Let's move on to designing clickable pins. The key here is to use vertical pins, ideally sized at 1000 by 1500 pixels. Tools like Canva are excellent resources to design these visually appealing pins. Be sure to add eye-catching text overlays such as 5 steps to book more clients or mindset shifts for 6-figure growth. And don't forget to mix educational graphics with personal brand photos to make your pins more relatable. Consistency is crucial on Pinterest. Aim to pin 5 to 10 fresh pieces of content each day. Repurpose content from your existing blog, YouTube channel, Instagram, or podcast. Using tools like Tailwind or Pinterest's native scheduler can really help you maintain a steady posting rhythm without overwhelming yourself. Another tip is to use Pinterest SEO effectively. Incorporate relevant keywords into your pin titles, descriptions, and board names. For example, instead of just coaching tips, try something more descriptive like life coaching tips for busy professionals. Additionally, use 2 to 5 hashtags such as #businesscoach or #consulting tips to further enhance discoverability. Finally, it's vital to track and scale your efforts. Utilize Pinterest analytics to determine which content drives the most clicks and saves. Promote these top-performing pins with Pinterest ads to reach an even larger audience. As you analyze your results, focus on the topics that resonate most and attract leads. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to making Pinterest a fruitful part of your marketing strategy as a coach or consultant. Thanks for watching, and good luck.